Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Ardiansyah, NPM 2003031003. I'm from account Syariah Accounting C. IMF leads global growth forecast for 2021 still sees exceptional uncertainty. The International Monetary Fund on Tuesday raised its forecast for global economic growth in 2021 and cited the coronavirus triggered downturn last year, the biggest peacetime contraction since the Great Depression, would be nearly a full percentage point less severe than expected. That global lender cited multiple vaccine approval and the start of vaccination in some countries had boosted hopes of an eventual end to the pandemic that has now infected nearly 100 million people and claimed the life of more than 22.1 billion globally. But it warned the world economy continued to face exceptionally uncertainty. A new wave of COVID-19 infection and variant pose risks, and global activity world remain well below pre-COVID-19 projection made 1 year ago. IMF chief economist Gita Gopinath said United States President Joe Biden pledged to fund the World Health Organization COVAX vaccine initiative marked a very big step to containing the pandemic and ensuring more equitable distribution of vaccines. Much work will be needed because, as we can see, given the mutating virus, that this is not a problem that's going away anytime soon. Gopinath told a news conference there is still a tremendous amount of uncertainty. She told reporters in a separate interview, we know that the health crisis is not over until it's over everywhere. Gopinath said the global economy could gain $9 trillion between 2020 and 2021 and 2025 if faster progress could be made in ending the health crisis, and it was clearly in the interest of advanced economies to help poorer countries recover. There's a complete economic sense to this, and to it right now, the tool restores. The IMF estimates that close to 90 million people are likely to fall below the extreme poverty threshold during 2020 and 2021, with the pandemic wiping some out. $22 trillion in projected output through 2025 and reversing progress made in reducing poverty over the past 2 decades. Gopinath said advanced economies were recovering more quickly and urged countries with means to continue to offer poorer nations at low interest loans and debt relief. There is still much to be done, but we're continually at least in positive growth territory this year, and opposite the last year, she told the news conference. Vaccine powered uptick. Vaccine powered uptick in its latest World Economic Outlook. The IMF forecasts a 2020 global contraction of 3.5%, an improvement of 0.9 percentage point from the 4% slump predicted in October, even stronger than unexpected. Momentum in the second half of last year, it predicted global growth of 5% in 2021, 0.3 percentage points better than in October, citing expectation of a vaccine-powered uptick later in the year and added policy support in the United States, Japan, and a few other large economies. It cited the U.S. economy, the largest in the world, was expected to grow by 5.1% in 2021, an upward revision of 2 percentage points attributed to carryover from strong momentum in the second half of 2020 and the benefit accruing from about $900 billion in additional fiscal support approved in December. The outlook would likely improve further if the U.S. Congress passed a $19 trillion relief package proposed by Biden. Gopinet said, forecasting a 5% boost over 3 years if the package is approved by the U.S. Congress. Chinese economy is expected to expand by 8.1% in 2021 and 5.6% in 2022, compared with the October forecast of 8.2% and 5.8%, respectively, while India's economy is seen growing 11.5% in 2021, up to 7 percentage points from the October forecast after a stronger than expected recovery in 2020. The fund said countries should continue to support their economies until activity normalizes to limit persistent damage from the deep recession of the past year. Low-income countries will need continued support through grant, low-interest loans, and debt relief. And some countries may require the bit contracting, the IMF said. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.